Did you know that the average new car price has soared to over $48,000? That's a staggering figure that puts a reliable vehicle out of reach for millions. But what if I told you there's a hidden market of near-luxury sedans you can buy for less than the price of a 5-year-old economy car? Cars built on proven global platforms with mature powertrain architectures and stabilized supply chains. We're not talking about beat-up rust buckets. We're talking about sedans with premium NVH insulation, multi-link suspension geometry, high-strength steel unibody construction, and proven torque converter automatic transmissions that everyone else is overlooking. Ignoring these cars is like throwing away thousands of dollars. The difference between buying a well-known, overhyped used car and one of these hidden gems can be over $10,000 in your pocket over the next 5 years. In this video, I'm going to reveal 3 of the most underrated used sedans on the market. I'll break down their reliability scores from Consumer Reports and J.D. Power, reference depreciation modeling from CarEdge, and explain the engineering fundamentals, engine block metallurgy, transmission calibration logic, and long-term maintenance data that smart buyers track. We're starting with a car that's essentially a luxury vehicle in disguise, but it's so overlooked that its depreciation curve becomes an asset for informed buyers. Let's get into it. The first car on our list is the 2013 to 2016 Buick Verano. Before you click away, hear me out. The Verano rides on GM's Delta II global platform, shared with the Chevrolet Cruze, but features enhanced acoustic laminated glass, hydraulic engine mounts, and additional sound-deadening material that materially improves cabin NVH isolation. In fact, its interior quietness rivals entry-level Lexus models of the same era. This level of mechanical maturity translates directly into peace of mind for owners who prioritize long-term durability. The biggest benefit of the Verano is the value unlocked through depreciation arbitrage. A 2016 Verano that sold for around $28,000 new can now be found for under $10,000, over 60% depreciation. For a used buyer, that's leverage. The 2.4L Ecotec inline 4 uses an aluminum block with cast-in-iron cylinder liners, dual overhead cams, variable valve timing, and a timing chain system, not a belt, reducing major service intervals. Consumer Reports gives the 2016 model a 4 out of 5 for reliability, with owners reporting minimal powertrain failures. The engineering behind this durability stems from long-cycle Ecotec development and conservative transmission pairing with the 6T40 6-speed automatic, a torque converter unit known for predictable shift logic and wide parts availability. J.D. Power gives the 2016 Verano a great quality and reliability rating of 84 out of 100. Owner data on Edmunds consistently highlights low unscheduled repair frequency. Major drivetrain failures are rare. The NHTSA lists only 3 recalls across the 2013 to 2016 range, which is below segment average. Most complaints center on infotainment modules, not engine or transmission assemblies. Routine maintenance is straightforward due to accessible engine bay layout, common GM component sourcing, and strong aftermarket support. For your wallet, this matters. A low-mileage 2016 Verano runs around $9,500. A comparable 2016 Toyota Corolla can exceed $14,000. That's $4,500 saved up front. With average annual repair costs estimated at $478 by RepairPal and lower insurance class positioning, total 5-year ownership costs trend favorably. When you break down depreciation, insurance bans, and service frequency, the Verano becomes a data-backed value play. But what if you want sharper chassis dynamics without sacrificing durability? Our next sedan blends mechanical efficiency with real driving engagement. This represents exceptional value in a used market increasingly shaped by platform consolidation and component standardization. Smart buyers look beyond brand perception and evaluate drivetrain design, suspension architecture, and long-term reliability scoring. The driving experience delivers refinement that exceeds expectations at this price point. Next up is the 2014 to 2018 Mazda 6. Designed under Mazda's Kodo philosophy, it looks premium, but the real story is under the sheet metal. The Mazda 6 features Mazda's Skyactiv platform engineering, emphasizing reduced curb weight, increased torsional rigidity, and optimized weight distribution for improved yaw rate control. This translates into predictable handling and long-term mechanical stability. The Mazda SI-XS core strength is its Skyactiv G2.5L engine. It runs a high 13:1 compression ratio, in non-turbo form, direct fuel injection, and a 4-2-1 exhaust manifold design that reduces exhaust reversion and knock. Combined with a conventional 6-speed torque converter automatic, avoiding early-generation CVT concerns, it delivers both efficiency and durability. J.D. Power rates the 2018 model above average for reliability. The engineering maturity stems from Mazda's Skyactiv design philosophy, lighter rotating assemblies, optimized piston crowns, and friction reduction strategies that enhance long-term wear resistance. Consumer Reports gives the 2017 model a 5 out of 5 for reliability. Owner communities frequently report 200,000-mile longevity with routine oil service and brake maintenance. Reported issues are typically cosmetic, paint thickness or infotainment latency, not engine or transmission failures. Strong resale value reflects positive long-term reliability indexing. Routine service remains cost-effective due to accessible engine packaging and widely available OEM equivalent components. A 2017 Mazda 6 Grand Touring averages around $16,000, compared to roughly $19,000 for a similar Honda Accord. That's $3,000 upfront savings. With EPA highway ratings up to 35 miles per gallon, fuel cost efficiency further improves total cost of ownership. When depreciation curves, fuel economy, and drivetrain reliability are evaluated together, the Mazda 6 stands out as a high-engagement, low-risk midsize sedan. But what if your priority is maximum reliability, refined ride quality, and proven V6 longevity? This is where our final sedan becomes especially compelling in today's used market. Smart buyers understand that engine lineage and transmission pairing often matter more than badge prestige. The driving experience delivers composure, low vibration levels, and consistent torque delivery across the rev range. Behind the wheel, you'll notice the chassis balance and steering calibration tuned for comfort without sacrificing stability. This combination of capability and durability defines true long-term value. Our final hidden gem is the 2013 to 2015 Toyota Avalon. Many dismiss it as conservative, but mechanically, it's closely related to the Lexus ES350, sharing Toyota's K-platform architecture and powertrain fundamentals. This translates into exceptional reliability. The Avalon is powered by Toyota's 2GR FE 3.5L V6, an aluminum DOHC engine with dual VVTi, forged crankshaft durability, and a long production lifecycle across multiple Toyota and Lexus models. It's paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission engineered for smooth torque delivery and conservative shift mapping. RepairPal ranks it first out of 12 full-size cars with a 4.5 out of 5 reliability rating. The engineering consistency comes from Toyota's long-term iterative refinement, supply chain stability, and conservative thermal management strategies. Consumer Reports gives the 2014 Avalon a 5 out of 5 for reliability. J.D. Power rates the 2015 model at 87 out of 100. Expert reviews consistently highlight ride comfort, interior space efficiency, and drivetrain smoothness. Resale values remain strong according to KBB, reflecting durable demand. Maintenance is predictable thanks to widespread 2GR FE parts availability and proven service intervals. A 2014 Avalon with under 100,000 miles averages around $15,000. A comparable 2014 Lexus ES350 exceeds $19,000. You're getting essentially the same engine, platform architecture, and mechanical reliability for $4,000 less. When long-term repair frequency, depreciation stability, and engine longevity are considered together, the Avalon becomes a low-risk, high-comfort investment. This represents exceptional value in a market where full-size sedans are increasingly rare. Smart buyers evaluate drivetrain lineage, recall history, and reliability scoring, not just brand image. The driving experience delivers quiet operation, smooth V6 torque, and predictable handling characteristics. Interior design prioritizes ergonomic controls, durable materials, and long-term usability over flashy gimmicks. These are practical features that improve real ownership experience. When compared against similarly priced alternatives, the cost-benefit analysis becomes clear. So there you have it, 3 underrated used sedans backed by proven platform engineering, durable powertrain design, and favorable depreciation curves. The Buick Verano, the Mazda 6, and the Toyota Avalon each represent a strategic value play in today's used market. This level of mechanical dependability translates into real-world peace of mind. Which of these 3 would you choose? Or do you have another data-backed hidden gem worth discussing? Let me know in the comments below. The long-term reliability of these vehicles stems from refined engine architecture, stable transmission pairings, and conservative engineering philosophy. If you found this breakdown helpful, like and subscribe for more content focused on making smarter, data-driven car buying decisions. Thanks for watching. When you analyze total cost of ownership over 5 years, including depreciation, maintenance frequency, and insurance class, these sedans reveal their true value. Smart buyers understand that intelligent platform selection often matters more than market hype.